Yo, what's good, YouTube? Today I'm opening up a collector's edition tin of Garbage Pail Kids Food Fight. I've been waiting a while for this release and I'm pretty excited. It has 24 packs per box and 8 cards per pack, as you can see on the sticker here. I'll be splitting this up into 2 videos because I don't want the videos to be too long. Here's the odds on the back. There's a pepper black parallel and every 1 in 2 packs. So we have a fool's gold every 1 in 358 packs. I think the signed sketches are the most popular, and those are 1 in 40 packs, which is pretty good odds. Go ahead and pause it for those of you who want to take a closer look at what you can get. Let's look at the front again. We have pick boogers, get more stickers, and clean ears. All right, so y'all ready for some good food parody humor? Let's get this cracking. This was released Wednesday, February 24th. The refrigerator design is a pretty nice touch. The tins come in blue, red, orange, and green. I just so happened to get one of my top 2 colors, which is blue. I'm a little late with posting this, and I've seen people post their hits all over Facebook. Hopefully I get something good. So let's open this up here. On the top, we have 2 refrigerator magnets. I'll set those aside and open them up in part 2. So let's go ahead and count out 12 packs to open now. And I'll seal the other 12 packs along with the magnets so we can get them open in part 2. Alright, so let's get these out of here. That's 12. And put these magnets back. Get that nice and tight in there and close it. One more look. We have the GPK club leadership in the back. Hopefully they will send some luck my way and I'll get a low numbered parallel or autograph. You can see the pack art is Condiment Cody, also known as Hot Dog Dave. Are those french fries coming out of his head? And he's spraying the hot dogs in ketchup and mustard colors. Delicious, delicious. Go ahead and open this up. We see the back of the card there. It says Cinnabon. First card, Drippy Skippy. Noodle Harriet. With the armpit spaghetti. We got Served Sammy. Play Paul. Black Pepper Parallel. It's Ice Cream Head. I'm not sure what's the play on words there. Play Paul. Okay. Picky Mickey. With the extra boogers there on top. Wouldn't be Garbage Pail Kids without those boogers. We got Rotting Rob. Third Helping Theo. 3 heads eating himself. We got Toast Ted. Let's check out the back again. Cinnabon. Gluttony is a sin. Yes. Yes, it is. Alright. Nice art so far. See what's in this next pack. Whoop. The cards are on thinner cardstock, not like chrome. Chrome's a little bit thicker. Hopefully I don't get any damage in these. First up, we got Spilled Milk. We got Chet Zit. Joe Blow. He's got gum coming out of his eyeball there. We got a Let's All Go Black Pepper Parallel. That's just a bunch of food at the movie theater, looks like. We got Billy Up. Sour Scott. Gooden. Are they taking a dump in that soup can? Sid Lid. Okay. This is all new art that I haven't seen before. This Joe Blow has the gum coming out of his mouth as opposed to the eye, like in the car we just saw. GPK will often keep the names and make a modification to the art and vice versa. Alright, we got Jarring Jessica. We got Sticking Up Stanley. We got Cookie Cutter Cooper. I really like this art. Maybe because I love cookies. Soupy Candace. Saucy Red Parallel. Those are number 275. We got a Preserved Priscilla. Black Pepper Parallel. Perry Premium. No Meat Pete. And Sugar Sheena. The Cotton Candy Girl. Alright, let's see what's next here. This one says Zamba Juice on the back. Made with real brain fluid. Yum. We got Moldy Molly. The moldy bread there. We got Butchered Butch. He's chopping himself up. Donut Hole Joel. Allergic Nick. He's allergic to peanuts, it looks like. Quaker Quinn. Black Pepper Parallel. Peckish Pinky. Denture Donald. And Drink Upton. Drinking somebody's brain or something there. I really like this artwork here. A vampire sucking on somebody's head. Alright, let's get on to the next pack. I'll try to take this wrapper off without damaging the cards because the cards are so thin. Some of the edges are already a little bit frayed. We got Funnel Finley. Flea Flow, Faux Fum, Flea Flow, Play Paul. Another Flea Flow, Black Pepper Parallel. That's a mighty big flea there, huh? We got Feastin' Easton. Board Walker. Split Brit. And Kareem Filling with the Oreo head. If my head was an Oreo, I'd definitely try to eat it. Alright, next pack. We got Snow Cone Connor. Assault Ted. Assault Head. Assaulted. Nice play on words there. Pretty clever. We got Peeping Page. That's a peep pooping. We got Gummy Gus. Black Pepper Parallel. We got the GPK Food Wacky Package Orville Red Blockers. 2 of 10. Alright. And those come every 1 in 24 packs. Not bad. Ridiculous Reese. I love peanut butter and chocolate combined. We got Betty Spaghetti. And Food Fight Felix. Alright, so I've gotten a couple of A and B variations of the same card. Not bad. What's next? Let's All Go. Well, the movie theater snacks again. Hall and Oates. We got Woody Blocks. Dipping Dirt. Concession Stand Black Pepper. Trashy Trey. Messy Jesse. And Tony Tomato. Alright, next pack here. Got deveined Valerie, the shrimp being deveined. We got Colonel, Westquick as opposed to Nesquik, Paleolithic Paul, caveman dude, Logan Lobby, Black Pepper Parallel. Variation is Let's All Go. We got Preserved Priscilla, Meltdown Mark, and Baked Brent. All right. Next pack. We got Flaky Fran with the cereal. Stomping Stella, Stomping Grapes. Gummy Gus. Funnel Finley, Black Pepper Parallel. Zap Zack. Bended Billy, not Blasted Billy. Grenadine. Battling Beverages, beating each other up there. Whoop. We got the K-Ray. 3-course Mel. Roastin' Ronin. Another Stomping Stella. Fresh Fisher, Saucy Red Parallel. Over Etta. Parasite Perry, that dog looks miserable. Concession stand. Alright, so we get to see the artwork a couple times, different parallels, different variations. Let's see, we got Junkatarian John. That was me when I was like 5, just junk food. Spitting Spencer. Herschel Squirts. It's a Hershey Kiss. Running to the bathroom. Interesting. Food Selfie Steffi. Parasite Perry. I really feel bad for that dog. Creamed Phil. It's a Twinkie with a bunch of holes in them. Condiment Cody. The star of the show. Whizzing Winthrop. I don't even want to know what's coming out of that dude's diaper. Alright, this is the last pack. See the checklist on the back there for the B variation cards. Let's flip this over. We got Prized Presley, Vegan Tegan, who's not a vegan because he's got a burger behind him. Unless that's a Beyond Meat burger. Cotton Candy, Pokey Penny, Adam Appetite. So this is a card for the non-fungible tokens everyone's been talking about. They're pushing collectors into collecting digitally. I'll scan this in and let everyone know how it works in another video. There's the instructions there. I've seen one person do this. Looks pretty simple, so yeah, I'll share what I get when I get around to that. Chewy Charles, Quaker Quinn. We got Insect Isaac and Melting Miles. All right, so that concludes part 1. I think Nat Nerd and his team approve. I love the artwork. Super creative, very fun stuff. I'll be back with part 2, so check back in to see those magnets and the other 12 packs. Thanks for watching. Peace.